Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. Here we are again, ready for another DIY. This afternoon, I'm going to show you how to make something like this, personalized with a name. And because I want to do it Cricut for beginners, I'm going to go through every single step except the printing, but I'm going to give you all the information, as much information as I can. And at the end, make sure that you watch the video all the way to the end, because if you want to sell it, if you want to get an order to do something like this, you'll know more or less how much to charge and where to get every single one of the items. I'm going to put links on the description box on where to buy the items. But for this, you're going to need a whatever shape frame the client wants or you want, if you're going to give it as a gift. And this one, again, usually when I do my videos for YouTube, I try to get things from the dollar store. So this one I got at the dollar store. I'm going to put a picture up here that shows a different size and the price it is at Michael's at the discount. So you're going to be needing a frame. And then you're going to need, if you're going to do a Mickey Mouse like this, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, but you're going to need a color for the letters, in two different colors for the little bow that goes on the head. Okay, so I chose that I'm going to do a black one, and then the little bow is going to be purple and white. And again, everything is going to be in the description box. You need to have a transfer tape. This is the transfer tape that I have. Again, links in the bottom. You're going to need a little tool like this to scrape and get the bubbles out. You're going to need a blade, because this is how I buy them, and we're going to scrape all this writing off. You're going to need a tool like this to weed your vinyl. Always have some scissors. It's nice to have them handy. And just before I switch over to my computer, I wanted to show you this, I think it's called holographic vinyl. I really like this kind of vinyl. If you have a Tuesday morning store in your area, go check them out. They have these rolls. They have 48 inches, which is like 4 feet, and it's only $4.99. I found one that was $3.99, like a yellow one, and I bought it. So it's nice to have things like these. They come handy and they're super cheap. Don't forget to watch the video all the way to the end, as I am going to be adding the breakdown on the price, how much, where you get the product, and how much to sell it for. So for right now, I'm going to go over to my computer. Let me settle down my camera and see you in a minute. Like I said, I already have everything already printed, but I'm going to show you how I did it. If you want to put the name right in front of it, you don't have to do mirror. If you want to put it on the other side, then you will probably need to mirror. I didn't do mine with I didn't mirror mine, so I put all my letters in front. Okay, this is a 7x7, so we're going to go by that. And the name that I chose was Melo. That's one, my oldest granddaughter. So we're going to go to the type in, and we're just going to put a capital M on there for now. And then we're going to put the rest of it, Melo, right there. Okay, so now we're going to change the font. And I'm using a Cricut. So this is a Cricut for beginners. Of course, you can follow the same thing to, if you have a different kind of cutter, you can always do the same thing. So what I'm going to be doing for the M, I'm going to be looking for the font that is the Disney font. See, there it is. Here's the font. So this font, because today was the very first time that I used it, the font was $6.99 one-time charge. So I went go ahead and bought it. So we're going to choose that for the M. So there's my M. And remember that I have a space that is 7 by 7. So I'm going to make this a little bigger. Just any number, it's fine. And then we're going to go ahead and choose the rest of the letters, just like that. And we're going to change the font on those. So here's the font that I want. And the font that I want is called Double Whipped. Right there, Double Whipped. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to bring them closer. And we're going to figure out where do we want them. And I want these ones to be a little closer to the letters right there. And then what we're going to do on these ones, we're going to ungroup them so that we can bring them together. We're just going to put them close together, just like so. Okay, and once you have them there, then you're going to go ahead and grab everything and you're going to weld them. So what it's going to do when you weld them, they come just like they become one word. Okay, so once you have it here, you can go ahead and go. What I wanted to do is, this is 6, my frame is 7 by 7, so I'm gonna go maybe 6 3/4, 6.75. I'm gonna go up here, and you can go up here and put the exact number you want. So 6.75. So there it is. So now what we're gonna do is we are going to look up. We're going to set this aside. We're going to go to images, and we're going to go for, we're going to be looking for bows on your images. So the bow that I chose was this one. So I chose that one. I'm subscribed to it, so it's not going to cost me anything. I'm going to go ahead and pick that one. So now I want to make the bow look pretty on here. So this is where you need to work on that, like wherever you like it. Like I feel like that looks pretty. So now this is going to be the one that is going to be the purple. So we're going to go ahead and go purple right there. And then we're going to need another one to do the polka dots. So we're going to duplicate, and we're going to make that white or whatever color you want your polka dots. Now with them, the dark color, you're going to weed them just like that. And then the polka dots, you're going to go like that. So remember that if you want to put your image in the back, looking this way, but in the back you need to mirror everything. But if you're going to put it in front like I did, you want to put everything in front. So right now we're just going to go ahead and go through the process of printing, weeding, and putting everything in place. If you have any questions in regard to this, I put my email address in the description box. You can look for me on Facebook. I put my address on Facebook. I answer better on Facebook than on Instagram. I'm still not used to using Instagram. I mostly go with Facebook, but you can find me and I can answer whatever questions you want. So there it is. All you have to basically do is go to make. Another little thing that I want to suggest to you, if you look at the image is laying right on the red line. Bring it out of that. Just a little tiny bit, okay? Just a little tiny bit. Another thing that I want to suggest to you, these are the mats that I use for printing. And some time ago, I went and looked for other ones. And because these were cheaper, I bought them. Please don't. Save your money. Don't. It's better that you use the Cricut ones, or if you find something better than that. These do not work at all. Okay, they don't work at all, so don't buy them. Okay, so let's go through the process of printing and getting everything ready, and then I'm gonna put my camera on the other table, and we'll go ahead and work with the other other side of the work so we can finish it up. See you in a... I have all my pieces ready. So here is the frame that I'm going to be using. And this one, the words are on the other side. So that's, you can do that if you want. So basically what you're going to do, you're going to grab a blade like this. And you're just going to go ahead and scrape the paint. Make sure you don't go too hard so you don't scratch it. So you're just going to go ahead and do that. All of it. Just get it all off. And once you get it all off, throw it away. And you can wipe it and clean it with the napkin that is just a little damp. Not a lot of water, just a little bit. To get all your fingerprints from it. So now I'm all done getting all the words out. I scratched them all off. And now I'm just getting my surface ready. Here it is, and I decided that I didn't do mirror. So I'm going to have to put it right on top. So this is almost the end. You just have your glass here. And you're just gonna, you already have the name. So we're just gonna transfer the name to the transfer tape. Another thing that I like to encourage you to do is save your transfer tape. You can use it more than once. You don't have to throw it away. Just, you know, save it. We need to save as much as we can, not only for the environment, but so for our pocket, right? So here it is. You're just going to go and go right in the middle and place it just right there. Place it where you think the middle is. And you're just going to go really nicely with your fingers or with your scraper. I find it better. I like it better with my fingers for some reason. I don't know why. But everybody likes it different ways. So you just do whichever one works for you better. Okay, so you just go right there. And I use the vinyl 651 so that it's supposed to be a permanent one. So now I'm just going to go ahead and peel it off. Peel it off. It's just like two bubbles here that I need to work on. Just like that. And then I'm going to get my transfer tape and I'm going to just put it right over the roll right there. And I'm going to save it for the next time. So now we're going to go ahead and transfer the little hair bow right on over it between the two ears. So here it is. We're bringing it over right there. So make sure you know where everything goes. Just like that. Let me see here. I think it's going to be this way. Yep. So we're going to go ahead and put it right in the middle. Right there. Right where you think it looks pretty. So you're just going to go there and put it down. And there it is. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty and beautiful this looks. Aww. So again, I'm going to save my transfer tape. And then we go ahead and do the polka dots. We go ahead and peel it off. There we go. And my chair fell. Okay, let's see. So it looks like it's like that. And I lost one of the little polka dots. So we're just going to go down there and place them right where they belong. Right there. Just like so. And I lost more than one polka dot. So I always print one extra one just in case that I lose anything from it. I can just replace it. So again, here's my tape. And now I need to get my little tool to take off the the ones that I lost. I don't know why I lost the other ones. I had them all, but it does happen sometimes. And if these ones are, here's one, and here's the other one. There you go. So just clean it up, get it ready, and it's ready to ship. And all they really need to do is put a nail on the wall and can get by this. I mean, it's not such a big deal. Just right there. There's Mellow, and this is Leah Rose. I hope you like this video. If you're finding a benefit to my videos, I will appreciate it. You can subscribe if you haven't. Other than that, may the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.